नमस्कार. आयच्या या खाशेल्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. चवथीची परबी सगळ्यांक. ही चवथ अशी असा की कोण आपले गांवां गेला, कोण गेलो ना, कोण घराकच असा. पण सगळ्यात महत्वाची गजाल म्हळ्यार उत्सव जेन्ना येता, आमी इंडियन अशे गोंय आनी तातूंत भितर आमी गोंयकार. जेन्ना एक फेस्टिवल सुरू जाता तेन्ना आमच्या हांगा भितर कोण तरी संचारता आनी अकस्मात आमी सगळीं विसरून मागीर उत्सवी मुडा भितर वतात. तर उत्सवी मूड बी बरो आसा, पण सद्याची भोंवतणची जर परिस्थिती पळयली जाल्यार ह्या उत्सवी मुडा भितर सुद्दां कितें करप गरजेचें आनी कितें करचें न्ही हें म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यांत महत्वाची गजाल. आनी ताका आमी पीक म्हणटात कोरोनाचो, तो पीक खरेंच आयलो ना, केन्ना येतलो असो अदमास आसा. आनी ताका ह्या चवथीची जी आमची सेलेब्रेशन्स आसात ती जर कंट्रोल नासतना जर जाली जाल्यार ताजोय त्या पिकाक हातभार लागपाक शकता काय कितें हे दिसता इम्पॉर्टंट प्रश्न. म्हणजे बरोबर आसात डॉक्टर शेखर साळकर आणि डॉक्टर ऑस्कर रिबेलो. बोथ ऑफ यू वेलकम टू द शो. हांव सगळ्यात पयलीं दोतोर साळकरा कडच्यान सुरवात करता आनी जो प्रश्न म्हाका दिसता अख्खे गोंयकार तांकां विचारतात, म्हाका अपुर्बायेन विचारता हांव. दोतोर अशें कितें की सगळे व्हीआयपी जे आसात ते तुमच्या हॉस्पिटलां वता अशें, म्हळ्यार म्हाका दिसता थंयच्यान सुरवात करया आनी मागीर गणपतीचेर चवथीचेर या आमी. सगळे गोंयकारां असो प्रश्न पडटा की आमी जीएमसी भितर, आमी कोवीड हॉस्पिटलां भितर आनी व्हीआयपी मात सगळे तुजे म्हऱ्या धांवतात. सो अशें कितें आहा तुजे कडेन वखद कोरोनाचेर की सगळे तुजे म्हऱ्या धांवतात?
I don't know. Nobody has got any workout on corona as of now. Maybe we look after them well. I think that is the only thing. We give them good care. See, in the end, मरे परेशान बरो जातलो काय ना ते पेशंटाची इम्युनिटी ऑन ओवरऑल ट्रीटमेंट फॅसिलिटी ताका एक ताची इम्युनिटी बुस्टर ताची कशी आसा स्वताची. Lot of things depend in medicine, and medicine 1 + 1 is never 2. It is not maths. Lot of things are dependent. So what patient should feel that he has received good care. Bus. He should see that doctors have tried their best, hospital has done its best. आणि आमी कितें करू शकता, whatever best we can do and give them the best. So I hope that तांकां दिसता की आमी तांकां बरी केअर दितले, and that's why they are coming to us.
दोतोर ऑस्कर या आमचे बरोबर. दोतोर एक मुद्दाम विचारचें दिसता. यू आर देर ऑन नाव द ट्रीटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल कमिटी ऑल्सो. सो अशें एक सामान्य गोंयकारान मातशे हें जावपा आतां धीर दिवपाक शकता की प्रत्येकाक अशी प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटल काय परवडची ना, बट आज तूं एक धीर दिवपाक शकता की आफ्टर युअर इन्क्लुजन यू हॅव ऑल्सो सजेस्टेड लॉट मेनी मेजर्स that government is implementing now. Do you feel that Goikar can be more comforted than probably 2 weeks back?
माझ्याप्रमाणे आम्ही फक्त राय घेवपाक जाता actions. At the end of the day, what matters is the implementation on the ground. But I would think that in many ways, whatever suggestions the treatment protocol committee has been giving, so there has been action taken by the government on the ground as far as the COVID hospital is concerned, the setting up of the new ward in GMC is concerned. Kidak, it is an extremely tough battle. We talk about that care is given, not given, the nitty-gritty. But it's an extremely tough battle as far as the logistics of trying to contain this epidemic in hospitals is concerned. From nursing to the attendants to the staff to food to PPEs to trying to segregate the COVID, non-COVID patients. It's a Herculean effort and it's a round-the-clock 24/7 effort. So it is tough, but I think many of the suggestions that the committee has put forward has been implemented on the ground by the dean and by the staff. I think let's hope that as we go ahead, we will be able to keep the death toll down.
एक गजाल दोतोर साळकार मुद्दा
Pramod.
Yeah, go ahead, Sagar. Yeah.
Pramod, I would like to tell you one thing that आता आमकां कितें whatever patients we have seen and थंय म्हाका दिसता GMC डॉक्टर उदय काकोडकराची टीम आयिल्ली from what you call IMSAची दोतोर आयिल्ले. One good thing about both of them that they said that what we have done is the best आणि हाजे पेक्षा आनी कांय बरें करूं शकना आनी तुमची सिस्टम आहा ती एकदम परफेक्ट आहा म्हणून इट इज व्हेरी नायसली डन. Donning, doffing area, rooms, everything is looked after. And that is, I think, what patients and everybody is now feeling that, yes, these people have done their best. See, the certificate from that madam, Dr. Rajeshwari and Dr. Anand Mohan was very important.
दोतोर ऑस्कर बट एक गजाल इम्पॉर्टंट म्हाका विचारचें दिसता की आतां चवथ आनी लोक मातशी उमेदी पयलींच मातशी लोक अशे निर्शेल्ले बट चवथ बिवत आयली एक फेस्टिवल आयलो की मातशी उमेद येता पूण ही जी उमेद जेन्ना येता तेन्ना आज आमी किती केअर घेवपाक जाय फेस्टिवलाचो मूड आसा व्हॉट वूड यू सजेस्ट टू द पीपल की कंट्रोल कसो करप
The same principle basically applies here. मास्क वापरपाची सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग मेंटेन करपाचें आणि जे जाणटे मनीस आसा पळय ते घरचे आणि जे दुयेंत आसतात पळय ते as far as possible you got to keep away from them. So I think ह्या फावटी चवथेक पूण one thing that should happen at least on two fronts आमी एकामेकाक विजिट करता पळय ते मातशें कमी करपा जाता जाल्यार पळोवपा जाय. I know it is very tough in times of a celebration and particularly after you are so depressed after so many months of being indoors, fighting this corona pandemic. It's very difficult to keep away from family. I understand that particular sentiment. पूण एकामेका घरा बसपाक कित्याक आतां एक तुका उदाहरण दिता एक इम्पॉर्टंट पॉलिटिकल एक आदलो मंत्री जो आशिल्लो ते एक जॉयंट फॅमिलीन रावतात. Everyone in that family, everyone barring just about maybe two of them, all of them have turned positive because they were in a joint family. So the whole thing is that the moment you come together and you are in the same house indoors for a prolonged period of time, almost certainly everybody is going to get the infection. So that is something that you've got to be very careful of, particularly with older people and with duets Germany's asat पळय ते. आणि दुसरें म्हणटा पळय तेन्ना विसर्जना वेळार जेन्ना लोक वतात पळय तेन्ना आनी रस्त्यार नाचतात आणि you follow the Ganpati go on the as you take it for immersion. त्या वेळारूय I don't know how it's going to be possible, but you have to be a little careful. So this has to be a very, very personal Ganpati in many ways. Just the close family, as far as possible, you've got to keep away from visiting one another. That is the only kind of self-discipline. Self-discipline is the only thing. You cannot expect governments, you cannot expect authorities, cannot expect doctors to solve that problem for you. This has to be an exercise of self-discipline and self-restraint. And I think Ganpati would be proud if we've got enough amount of wisdom to exercise that self-restraint.
दोतोर साळेकर तुम्ही आता दिवचली सारखे भागा भितर आसात जंय आमच्या गांवांनी येयल्ले आमकां इल्लो हुरूप चड येता सो तुमचो एडवायस कितें लोकां भितर आज गांवांनी शारांतल्यान कितलेशेच लोक गेल्यात कितल्योश्योच जॉयंट फॅमिली आसात पीपल आर ट्रायंग टू बी लिटल कन्झर्वेटिव्ह रिझर्वड अबाउट इट बट ते जायना वचून पांय तरी पडून येतला देवाक अशी परिस्थिती जाता आनी मागीर तातूंतल्यान भायर सरप जाता सो ही जी हो जो आमचो सेंटिमेंट आसा तुमी आतां गांवां भितर आसात तुमचें सजेशन कितें
See, I agree with him that Oscar बरोबर की first you have to follow the norms. ते मास्क घालूंक जाय, distance दवरूंक जाय. There is no second thought on those issues. Problem is, are they going to do it? माझ्या फॅमिलीनूच जायना. हांव आनी फक्त मेदा मास्क घालून आयज गणपतीक. बाकीचे सगळे जाण इन नॉर्मल उलयतात as if nothing has happened. कळ्ळें न्ही? So if I can't implement it in my house only, म्हणजे आमचे 4-5 सगळ्यांचे बरोबर गणपती आहा. ताकाच जर आमी फॉलो करूं शकना आय डोंट थिंक एवरीबडी इज अ पोजिशन टू फॉलो दीस थिंग्स कित्याक ते एकदां तो गणपती समोर पळयतकच ते तूं म्हणटा अशें ते भितरसून एक कितें संचारता तुज्या हातून तुका दिसता की तो सगळें सारकेंच करतलो म्हणून आय होप ही डज दॅट कळ्ळें न्ही ताजो काम केल्यार पुरो म्हणटात गणपती बाबान आनी इम्पॉर्टंट इज हांव सांगता ते आमी पयलीं न्हय आरत्यो करपाक म्हण स्पेशल आरत्यो करपाक वताले दुसऱ्यांच्या घरा आनी त्यो व्हडल्यान उलयताले See, the more loudly you sing, the more chances तो जर एक जर पॉझिटिव्ह आशिल्लो न्ही एकूच तो मेन आरती म्हणटा तो जर पॉझिटिव्ह आसा आनी तो जर सगळ्यांच्या घरान भोंवलो न्ही इट विल बॉम्ब आफ्टर फ्यू डेज दॅट यू कॅन सो आय थिंक तुम्ही घरांतल्या घरात आरती करा चड व्हडल्यान आड्डोवपाची गरज ना यू हॅव टू मेंटेन द सोशल डिस्टन्स यू हॅव मेंटेन द मास्क तरी घाला कितें तरी घाला एटलिस्ट उलयतना एक थोडे 1-2 मीटर डिस्टन्सान उलोव येता all these things has to be done caution जातले हे only time will tell time is the biggest healer I feel that we'll have to wait and see what is the outcome of this but there is a big decrease in the movement that is there I mean compared to आम्ही पहिली पळयताले न्ही गणपती
definitely
it's a big so I think almost I would it has reduced to 20% of what it was there before बट
Yeah.
ते 20% 100% जावपाक ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टाइम वेळ लागतो ना. सो इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट दॅट द 20% आर ऑल्सो व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट, आणि आय होप दॅट 20% डज नॉट कॅरी द व्हायरस,
Yeah.
बिकॉज ते जर व्हायरस कॅरी करतात देन इट इज इज अ बॉम्ब.
दोतोर ऑस्कर म्हाका मुद्दम ही गजाल विचारपाक, कारण हांव काल 3-4 जाणां कडेन उलयतालो आनी दे आर सेविंग दॅट अजून आमचो पीक आयलो ना. वी आर सीइंग दीज नंबर्स, बिग नंबर्स, बट आमचो अजून पीक आयलो ना. एंड द वरी वॉज दॅट चवथी सारको जेन्ना इव्हेंट जाता, फेस्टिवल जाता, आनी जेन्ना लोक एकमेकाक मेळटात, तेन्ना this can add to that. If we are even little negligent, this can add to that peak. You feel so that is a something imminent danger kashe when we look at the festive spirit, festive mood. That's something that should be there at the back of our mind.
Yeah, I think we are already at peak pandemic. I don't have a doubt that we are not in peak pandemic. The number of cases we are seeing, with the way it is spreading in the community, with the way it's spreading amongst families and amongst small groups, it's definitely peak. It's definitely community spread. I don't think there is any doubt about that. And definitely, if people are not careful enough, I think you're going to see a spike post Chaturthi. But on the flip side, I think what one more thing that has to be understood is that we are not in lockdown. So we cannot really use the same comparison just in New York, Italy, Spain, when they were having large number of cases. Please remember, they were in lockdown. Now we are having a large number of cases, but we are already opened up. So people are already meeting, offices already open, shops and businesses are open. So people are already mixing. So if you want to spin the argument on your head, if for instance you do not really see a major spike post Ganpati, if you keep again the figures hovering around 200, 300, then for all you know, the peak might be over and the mixing and the spread has already taken place. Some amount of herd immunity has already taken place. And then you can really look forward and hope that September should be our last month of really seeing these large volumes of cases, and then slowly keep it out. Because my theory is always the 4-month theory. Every single place, not every single country, every single place that has had the pandemic has run the course for about 4 months. So New York was March, April, May, June. Delhi was April, May, June, July. Bombay was April, May, June, July. Italy was February, March, April, May. So it's 4 months you get this huge wave and then it starts dying out. So every place, so America, you can't say the same thing because Texas and Florida, the south parts of America, are going through the peak now. That didn't happen when New York was going through the peak. At the moment, you're hardly reporting any cases from New York. So I would hope and think that we started somewhere in June. Mangor was the time which we started. We moved up into a peak in July. This August has been terrible, of course. So let's hope post Chaturthi, instead of there being a huge peak, maybe there'll be a miracle. Maybe you start coming down and maybe we can start meeting in the studios.
Yeah. Dr. Sagar, you wanted to make a point here.
I feel the peak means the peak is on, or it will peak maybe in next 15 days. I think we have to wait for next 15 days. After this Ganesh episode, suppose it remains at the same level, 200, then maybe after another 15 to 20 days, it will start coming down. See, you have to understand that first we were doing RT-PCR test, and ताका सांगताले लोकांक की स्वॅब काडटकच घरा राव म्हणून, आणि तुझे 8 दीस तुझे टेस्ट येनाशिल्ल्यो, तो रावनाशिल्लो घरा कडेन, तो गांवभर भोंवतालो, जळी मळी सगळे वाडदिवस, सगळे कोणाची एंगेजमेंट कर, कोणाच्यो पार्ट्यो करा.
बारशे महिला मंडळाची मीटिंग सुद्धा झाल्या,
महिला मंडळाची मीटिंग, and this has increased that number which has gone to that 500, 400 गेले. आता कितें जालें, now the government has taken the turn that antigen is the standard of testing, and antigen is available now in CSC, PSC, district hospital, everywhere. Even in private sector, antigen has been done, and antigenचा रिपोर्ट इमिजिएटली येता. म्हणजे आयज सपोज म्हाका जालो न्ही, 20 मिनिटांनी म्हाका कळ्ळें की म्हाका आसा म्हणून, हांव घरान उरलो. कित्याक पॉझिटिव्ह पेशंट न्ही सहजासहजी भायर भोंवना. दे विल नॉट ब्रेक डावन द होम आयसोलेशन. पण स्वॉब घेतिल्लो मनशाक तुवें सांगिल्लें की आपलो खबर ना तुजो, आनी तो भोंवतालो सगळे कडेन. तर नाव कशें आयलें, आतां हांव पॉझिटिव्ह आयलो, हांव घरान उरलो, विदिन इमिजिएटली, म्हणजे ताका टायम सुद्दां वचना, विदिन 3-4 hours ही इज पॅक्ड इन द होम. मागीर नेक्स्ट डे ताजे ती फॅमिली आनी ताजे सराउंडिंग जे कॉन्टॅक्ट आसा पळय तांची स्टडी करता. सो नेक्स्ट बाय 48 hours all those have positive are inside the isolation. So हे सगळे जर अशें सिस्टम जर ही चालू उरली, सो आता म्हाका आनी 15 दीस सुमार वाडटले, or it may remain 200 to 300. after that, all these fellows, because they are inside, they will not be able to further spread it, and it might drop maybe the end. I mean, September 15 it will stop, climbing, and it will show the downward trend. So I'm quite sure, and we continue to the more the test, but it should be done only for the right people. You are spending all your resources on useless, असे 200 हाडले आणि 300 हाडले आणि ते negative म्हणून सांगले. Now see, now the pending cases are not hardly 300, 400 pending उरता. बाकी सगळे त्या दिवसात सगळे रिपोर्ट जातात. So it is very important that now the system is in place. म्हाका दिसता की another 1 month to maximum it will start dropping.
एक गजाल मुद्दम दोतोर ऑस्कर विचारपाक जाय ती म्हळ्यार रिगार्डिंग दीस टेस्ट जेन्ना आमी म्हणटात लोकांच्या तकल्या भितर जेन्ना आमी एंटीजन म्हणटात RT-PCR म्हणटात एक प्रश्न येता की वॉट अबाउट द एक्युरसी बिकॉज RT-PCRाचेर लोकांचो खूब विश्वास आशिल्लो मागीर एंटीजन टेस्ट स्टार्ट जाल्यो बिकॉज वी वॉन्टेड टू कंडक्ट मास आनी क्विक टेस्टिंग सो लोकांच्या तकल्या हो प्रश्न येता की वॉट अबाउट द एक्युरसी इफ समबडी हॅज गॉट नेगेटिव्ह then he is really negative. Are there false, when you talk about antigen test, there are more false negative or false positives. How do you look at it and how it can impact the spread of the virus?
This is a logistic problem. This is not unique to Goa. This is a global phenomenon. There are 3 types of tests that you do. One is the TrueNat test that has been done for a long time, which again takes a little bit of time for those reports to come. TrueNat basically checks almost all coronaviruses. If TrueNat is negative, so if TrueNat is negative, you are definitely negative. Almost certainly you are negative. So it's a very, very sensitive test. However, if TrueNat is positive, you may or may not be positive. You have to confirm that by doing the RT-PCR, which is a far more specific test. And RT-PCR is about 60 to 80% of them, if they are positive, will pick it up. About 20% will still slip under the radar. They may be positive and RT-PCR may be negative. So RT-PCR is a specific test. You pick it up. If it is positive, it is 100% COVID. But if it is negative, 10-20% may still be negative. And the rapid test, of course, gives you a lot of convenience because it, as the word itself suggests, it is rapid. So within 15 minutes, तुका कळटा की तू positive की negative आसा पळय तो. To positive ILO on the rapid test, so to definitely positive. But again, the positivity rates is about 60% to 70%. I think it is much lower than RT-PCR. So you still could miss, if you do 100 rapid tests, all of them having COVID, you'll probably pick 60 to 65 of them as positive, even if all 100 are positive. And 30 you might miss, they may be negative. So a negative rapid test doesn't say that you definitely don't have COVID. So if, for instance, somebody has got fever, जोर असा, थंडी असा, खोकली असा, या परिस्थितीन माझ्या प्रमाणे अशें जावपाक जाय. समज तुका जोर, थंडी बी कितें आसा जाल्यार आनी समज तूं ऑन रॅपिड टेस्ट पॉझिटिव्ह आयलो तूं घराच उरतलो. पूण तूं नेगेटिव्ह आयलो सुद्दां जाल्यार तुका घराच रावचो पडटलो. कित्याक
तुम्ही म्हणटात की सिम्पटम्स वचनात, जोर किंवा खोकली किंवा थंडी, तो मेरेन घरा कडेन रावप चड बरें.
100% आणि 100% तू कोविड पॉझिटिव्ह. तुका आज जर समज या परिस्थितीन गोंयांत कोणाकूय जर समज थंडी जोर आसा जाल्यार, थंडी म्हणल्यार खरेंच खोकली आणि नाक गळटा पळय, काळामोड येता पळय तो आणि तकली फडटा, सामको classic flu symptoms. If you have flu symptoms, in my opinion, you have to assume that it's COVID unless proved otherwise. There is no doubt about that in the present circumstances.
Yeah, Dr. Salkar, you wanted to make a point.
What Oscar said is absolutely correct. Those 20% जे तुका मिस जाता पळय RT-PCR, that is why नाही हे सगळे आम्ही जे मास्क घालप, social distancing is required, exactly because of those people. Because तुका जर 100 पॉझिटिव्ह पेशंट आणले, सपोज 80 आम्ही पिकअप केले, म्हणजे 20 जण दे आर लॉयटरिंग इन द समाज विथ पॉझिटिव्हिटी. आता तांकां जर तू कंट्रोल कसो करतलो बाय वेरिंग मास्क. कित्याक तुवें मास्क घालें आणि ताणें मास्क घालें जाल्यार शिफ्ट म्हणजे कोरोना येवपाचो चान्स इज लेस न्ही, इज लेस दॅन अराउंड 5%. सो बोथ वेरिंग दीस काय न्ही आमचे बोथ वेरिंग मास्क काय नाही, बोथ हॅव्हिंग अ सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग फॉलो केले, दोघांनी सगळे हात धुले, सॅनिटायझेशन केले, जाल्यार चान्स ऑफ स्प्रेड इज लेस. दिस इज प्रोबॅबली बिकॉज ऑफ दोज 20% जे आमकां खबर आसा की ते पॉझिटिव्ह आसा पूण ताची टेस्ट पॉझिटिव्ह ना, सो आमी ताका घराय दवरूंक शकना, आमकांय कळमना तो पॉझिटिव्ह आसा काय ना तो. सो इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट दॅट इन द एंड एवरीथिंग कम्स ऑन वेरिंग मास्क, वेरिंग अ प्रॉपर सॅनिटायझेशन वापरपाचें, फॉर्मॅट्स क्लीन करपाच्यो सगळ्यो, आनी डिस्टन्स मेंटेन करपाचें. आय थिंक दीज आर द hallmark. I think nobody can afford to just skip off these things.
एक गजाल दोतोर म्हाका मुद्दम विचारपाक ती म्हळ्यार प्लाझ्मा थेरपीची. काल हेल्थ मिनिस्टरांनी सामकी अपील केली की लोक जाय तितले मुखार सरनात म्हणून. तुमचो अनुभव कितें? कारण तुम्ही रेग्युलरली कोविड पेशंट्स पळयतात, प्लाझ्मा थेरपीक लागून बारीक मोठे व्हीआयपी सगळ्यांची भलायकी सुदारल्या. अशे परिस्थिती भितर तुमकां कितें दिसता की लोक कित्याक फुडें सरनात? व्हॉट इज दॅट मेंटल ब्लॉक when it comes to donating plasma?
It's for me or for Oscar?
ना तुमचे खातीर, साळकर बाब तुमचे खातीर.
See, the plasma thing,
Yeah.
my experience with plasma, our hospital is around 3 now.
Hmm.
तिनांतले दोग जाण excellent response. Excellent म्हणजे भाऊचो तो response was amazing सारको. म्हणजे we could make out every minute that he was improving from what he was after plasma. And I must give credit to our Dr. Dhaval and his team in our blood bank in Manipal Hospital, because we have offer assist machine for last 1.5 years. आम्ही आमचे बोन मॅरो ट्रान्सप्लांट करतात आणि बाकीचे आमकां जे न्यूट्रोपेनिक पेशंट्स आसतात तांकां आमकां हे मशीन सामकें उपयोगी पडटा. कित्याक WBC घालूंक जाय, ओन्ली प्लेटलेट्स घालूंक जाय, जाल्यार इट बिकम्स अ व्हेरी हँडी मशीन टू अस.
मेन गजाल आसता लोक मुखार कित्याक सरनात?
ती इम्पॉर्टंट, हांव सांगता तुका ती इम्पॉर्टंट.
Yeah.
आतां म्हाज्या कशी जाली, त्या दिसा भाऊक जाय आसले न्हय, तर भाऊचे लोक सगळे सोदूंक लागले. हांवें सांगलें की प्लाझ्मा सोदा म्हणून. आणि दीपक नायक जो आमचो एक्स वास्कोचो नगराध्यक्ष आशिल्लो, आमचो तो बरो फ्रेंड, ताणें थोडे घेवन आयलो वास्कोचे की तुमी वास्कोकारांक कितक्योश्योच गाळयो मारल्यो सगळ्यांनी, तांकां वाळीन उडयले, तांकां खंय खंय सांगलें की तुमी हांगा येवं नाका, गणपतीक तुमी हांगा घरा येवं नाका, गणपतीक तुमी चाकरमानीशे म्हणजे थंयच रावा, आसा थंयच रावा म्हणून. आयज टुडे दीज आर द सेम पीपल हू आर सेविंग लायफ्स. तुम्ही अंडरस्टँड जावंक जाय की तुमी हे तांकां वागयले न्हय, यू शूड से सॉरी टू देम फॉर ऑल दीस थिंग. सो इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. तांणी जे हाडलेले 4 तातूंत दोग जाण आशिल्ले हू हॅव बीन तांची एंटीबॉडी टायटर वॉज व्हेरी गुड, and we pushed that inside that egg blood and it dramatic response. So it is important that those who have suffered, not asymptomatic, asymptomatic आमच्याकडे खूप आहा जे अशात घरा रावले, होम आयसोलेशन रावले,
तांचो प्लाझ्मा कोता येना,
तांचो प्लाझ्मा तितको व्हॅल्युएबल ना. एखादी तो फुडें फाटी व्हॅल्यू येतलो काय ना खबर ना म्हाका, पण तांचो तितको व्हॅल्यू ना. पण दोज हू हॅव सफर्ड आनी चड जाले, स्पेशली ESIN बी राविल्ले जे हे आशिल्ले, तांकां गव्हर्नमेंटा कडेन तांचो रिकॉर्ड आसा. They know that where the family stays, तांचे कोण number, cell number, everything is government. I think government has to have involve NGOs. NGO involve करा, तांच्या लोकल मनशांक इन्वॉल्व करा, लोकल सराउंडिंग तांचे कोण जे लिडर आहा तांकां इन्वॉल्व करून तुका जर घर आता तांच्या घरा वचपाक आमकां प्रॉब्लेमूच ना, बिकॉज he has already antibodies with him, so he is the safest man today. So you can go him and convince him, nahi?
Yeah. Dr. Oscar,
at least Zoom meeting असले.
Yeah, correct. ना डॉक्टर ऑस्कर मुद्दा म्हाका विचारचें, वाय इज दीस मेंटल ब्लॉक? म्हळ्यार आतां काल हेल्थ मिनिस्टरान परत सांगला, कम फॉरवर्ड, डोनेट प्लाझ्मा, यू कॅन सेव्ह समबडीज लायफ. कित्याक लागून हो मेंटल ब्लॉक आसा?
मेंटल ब्लॉक कसो मरे, आतां जशें लोकांक हळूहळू कळटलें की आय कॅन सेव्ह लायफ ऑफ पीपल. आय फील भाऊ जर ना घरा वतलो न्हय बरो जावन आतां सारको, भाऊ विल बी अवर सारको एम्बॅसिडर, ब्रँड एम्बॅसिडर. ही शूड बी द ब्रँड बिकॉज ही इज लाइक्ड बाय most of the population.
Yeah.
He is a mass leader. ताणे फाल्यां सांगत न्हय, it will make a definitely dent in the thinking process of this plasma donor.
Dr. Oscar, why do you think this mental block is there and how to get over it?
Ragad Dupak, it's really a very, very difficult task. Even blood banks in normal times find it very difficult to convince, it's except for social organizations, when you have Rotary, Lions, when they organize blood donation camps, that people come forward. So in these times, for people to come to the hospitals itself, when there is the thing of COVID, to give the blood, not to give the blood, there is always this kind of whatever fears that are there of giving blood. So I don't think you can really change people's mindset from that. But as Shekhar said, I would think that NGOs, religious heads, particularly if religious organizations and religious heads make an appeal, because somehow people in Goa are very religious and they're very sentimental about religion, and then a religious head sort of convinces them that what they're doing is right. I guess you probably would have more people coming forward. But you've got to, this is basically a social issue. You need people to be convinced and chitpa jai ki I can save a life by donating plasma for antibodies, and it most certainly makes a difference. ESI डॉक्टरान आमचे उदय काकोडकरांनी सांगला की ESI हॉस्पिटलान खूब लोकांक प्लाझ्मा दिल्ले पळय ते 1 दिसांनी 2 दिसांनी व्हेंटिलेटराचेर आशिल्ले पळय ते बरे जावन उठल्या. सो देर इज अ डेफिनेट rationale for plasma. Of course, your studies worldwide now have gone into disrepute, but we are seeing this on the ground. You have to do it. You can't wait for these grand studies to come from America and from Europe. You've just got to do whatever you have at your disposal. You've got to deploy these missiles as quickly as possible to destroy the virus. And there is no doubt that plasma in critically ill patients makes a world of difference. There is no doubt about it.
Yeah. So thanks a lot.
आमचो MLA कार्लोस बाबान त्यांनी आता दे हॅव टेकन अप टू देमसेल्व्स कळ्ळें न्ही. ताणें आतां तांचें लिस्ट केलां ते सगळ्यांचें, ताचे कडेन लिस्ट हाडला ताणें. ही इज ट्रायंग टू कन्विन्स पीपल. आय थिंक तशें सगळ्यांनी करपाची गरज आहा. आनी तांची एक आमची ब्लड बँकची डिरेक्टरी कशी आहा, सी डिरेक्टरी आसा आनी सपोज त्या फॅमिलीचे मनीस हाजे कडेन वचून ताणें पांयां पडले ताका सांग बाबा आमच्या असो दिया म्हणून, जाल्यार आय थिंक पीपल वील कम फॉरवर्ड अँड गिव. And second thing, as Oscar correctly said, even US FDA has actually said that you don't use plasma. But I tell you one thing, whatever doesn't work in USA does not mean that it will not work anywhere. SCQ चे ताणी खूप गाळी मारल्यो, ताणी सांगले की युजलेस ड्रग बी म्हणून. But SCQ still works in India, and we are very this that आमचे दोतोर जाणी SCQ सारखे घेतला पळय तांकां अजून पर्यंत they are escaped. जाल्यार तांकां मातशें कमी प्रमाणात अशें जालां. सो यू डोंट बिलीव एवरीथिंग वॉट कम्स फ्रॉम द वेस्ट इज विथ एप्लिकेबल टू अस. इवन जेफिटिनिपचे आमी तेन्ना पळयली ट्रायल, व्हडली ट्रायल सांगली जेफिटिनिप युजलेस ड्रग म्हणून तांणी सांगलो इन वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज फॉर लंग कॅन्सर. टुडे वी फायंड इट इज अ वंडरफुल ड्रग फॉर अवर लेडीज एंड दीस पीपल द लंग कॅन्सर. सो एवरीथिंग विच हांकां लागता पळय ते आमकां लागना. सो वी हॅव टू टेक अ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट.
Dr. Oscar, you wanted to make a point quickly?
No, I agree that we have to, whatever protocols we have devised, we have to deploy those protocols. This is not at the moment. We are not playing to the usual trope of randomized clinical studies published in a journal and then you produce. No, you have to, because you're losing lives. So whatever works, like for instance remdesivir, steroids, plasma, these things are definitely, we are seeing it on a case-to-case basis as we are handling patients, that it's working. So if it's working, we use it.
It's working.
Patient dies. So you've got to do what you got to do.
Absolutely. Thanks a lot, Dr. Oscar. Thanks a lot, Dr. Salkar. चवथ आशिल्ली तरी आसतना आयले लोकांक चवथीक कितें करची ते सांगले आनी तुमचो ऑन ग्राउंड एक्सपिरियन्स सांगलो, कारण तुम्ही डे टू डे सद्या कोविड पेशंट्स पळयतात. थँक्स अ लॉट. चवथीच्या दिसा सुद्धा हे करून गोंयकारांकय चवथीची परबी. आणि मातशे इम्पॉर्टंट गजाल, ह्या वर्साक तरी फोग कमी लावया. ह्या वर्साक तरी फोग कमी लावया. सगळ्यात क्विकली.
I must congratulate Oscar also. He personally goes inside wearing PPE. See, there are some माझ्यासारखे दोतोर आहा न्ही, they don't allow me to go inside. माझे दोतोर हांव माझो भाऊ पळोवन येता म्हणून आमच्या मॅनेजमेंट म्हणटा नो यू आर इन 60s म्हणून यू जस्ट कांट एंटर देर म्हणून. बट ऑस्कार, I must congratulate Oscar. He personally goes and sees the patient there, so he has first hand experience, and I hope government listens to him, whatever his suggestions are there, and quickly implement in Goa Medical Colleges.
Thanks a lot. इतल्याचेर थांबता. Thanks a lot for watching this broadcast. चवथ असून सुद्धा there are so many people who are watching it live on our social media platforms and TV. पळयत राहा स्टुडंट मीडिया. नमस्कार.